Welcome back to the Frank Walker Law Podcast, where we talk all things criminal defense and personal injury. Now, today, let's see what our question is. Should you answer questions by the police? Why not? You're starting on the right foot. Why not? Which means that you shouldn't. Implies that you know you shouldn't. So, should you answer questions by the police? Well, let's think about it this way. Do you honestly think that the police are coming to your house to ask you questions about a crime to see if you did it? Think about that. The answer is no, they're not. They're never coming to your house thinking, no, let me just pick any house at random to see if that person did it. No, odds are they already done some investigation. They've spoke to some other witnesses. They've done some research. They've done some investigation. They pulled some records. They have some camera footage. They're coming there to make sure that they are correct in what they are assuming. They're coming there to confirm everything they think about you. And the moment you open your mouth, the only thing you are doing is confirming what they already suspected of you. Now, you may say something utterly stupid to get yourself jammed up. In your mind, you're thinking, no, I'm just saying that I don't know where I was last Wednesday.
Danger, Will Robinson, danger.
But in their mind, that's all they needed. They already got the witness that says you're there. They already got the camera that says you're there. They already have the evidence that may presume that you're there. You have the relationships, the connection with the people who are there. Someone else may have said they've seen you in the area. All they need you to say is something like, well, you don't know where you were last Wednesday. You can't account for your whereabouts. Well, I really can't remember. To you, no, it's innocent. Or you may think, oh, I'm just going to go ahead and clear it up. I got this note in the door from the cop. Let me just go down to the station, clear up a couple things. I didn't do anything. There's no way I could be found guilty. There's no way they can arrest me of this. Regardless of what they say, they are not in the business of finding out who's innocent. They're in the business of closing cases. That is it. They're going to come to your house after an investigation and hope and pray that you say something that ruins everything in your life, meaning you're confirming everything they thought about you. You're confirming their suspicions. You're confirming their conclusions, their assumptions, everything. Now, they're going to come to you. Hey, I'm so-and-so. They're going to act all nice.
I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am. I just wanted to ask you one more question.
What is it?
I'm so-and-so detective from this department. I will ask you a couple questions. You're not under arrest. You don't have to talk to us if you don't want to. You're free to leave. They'll say it so quick and innocent. It's like it's dismissive. You're free to leave. You don't have to answer us. You don't have to go with us. You don't have to talk to us at all. But we want to ask you some questions about this. You mind if we talk to you about this? We just want to get some things cleared up before we go to the prosecutor. We want to get your side of the story because what they're saying is it sounds outrageous, but we just want to get your side of the story. Of course you're going to want to say something. Of course they know that you're going to want to defend yourself. Who's talking about me? What are they saying? I ain't do nothing. Let me go ahead and clear this up. This is stupid. I ain't got nothing to do with this.
See, what had happened was...
And then you just spill your guts. You spill your guts. And at the end of that conversation, they say, you know what? Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, by the way, you have the right to remain silent, and they're going to arrest you. They arrest you right there. Now, you make bail, then you come out, you get your papers, and you send it to me. Now you're sitting in my office. And I say, what happened? Man, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Now, you going to spill your guts to the cops and then come to my office and clam up. That's a whole matter of fact. I'm going to make that my next video. We got to talk about that. But for now, listen, you should not say anything to the cops. You should not say anything to the detectives or any officers standing at your door or asking you questions over the phone. They're not going to do it over the phone. They're going to want to get you down there in person, asking you to come down. You're not under arrest. You're free to leave. You're here at your own volition. It's voluntary. You can leave at any time. Come on down and talk to us. Don't do that. Call an attorney first. It's not going to make you look guilty. It's going to make you look smart because you know their only intention is to confirm what they suspect. They have the evidence. They just want you to say something that confirms it. And once you say it, bingo, you're in a jackpot. You're being arrested, and now it's up for you to try to fight your way out of this system. Tooth and nail. It's going to be tough, but make sure if you have an attorney in the beginning, they can advise you because they've been there before. They've seen this happen time and time again. Don't talk to police because it can't help you. Nothing you say is going to help you. You're not going to talk your way out of it. They're not going to believe anything you say that helps you, but they're going to believe everything you say that hurts you. Trust me. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Talk to an attorney. Say, hey, this cop wants to talk to me about X, Y, and Z. Well, where were you at that time? I don't even remember. Don't say anything. You have the absolute right to remain silent. Under the Pennsylvania and United States Constitution, you have the absolute right to remain silent. The moment you open your mouth, it's fair game. Don't do it. All right. Any questions, give us a call. 412-532-6805 or visit us online at frankwalkerlaw.com.